If you want to create an account on IQ Tradex, you can follow these steps. Visit the official IQ Tradex website and click on the Sign Up button to create your account. Alternatively, you can join IQ Tradex through your friend's referral link. If you are new to this channel, click on the link provided in the description to create your account. Here's what you need to do. Enter your details. Write your full name and username. Enter your email address. Select your country. For example, since I am Indian, I will select India. Provide your phone number. Set a password and confirm it. Create the account. Click on the Create Account button. Verify your account. Open your Gmail account and check for an email from IQ Tradex. If the email is in the spam folder, open it and click on Report Not Spam. This will move the email to your inbox. Go to your inbox, open the email from IQ Tradex, and click on the Verify Email Address button. Log into your account. Once verified, you will be logged into your IQ Tradex account. Complete your KYC, Know Your Customer. Click on Verify Now. You can complete your KYC using one of these 4 options: passport, driving license, ID card, any other valid document. For example, if you choose an ID card, select ID card and enter your ID card number. Provide your house address. Upload a selfie. Upload the front and back pictures of your ID card. Click on Submit for approval. Your KYC will be automatically approved after a short while. Congratulations! You are now part of the IQ Tradex family. After your KYC is approved, go back to the dashboard to check your account. You will find that a reward of $10 has been added to your account. Get ready to earn more rewards and achieve success. Stay connected with us to turn your dreams into reality. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section. Thank you!